Hello, I'm Rachel and today I'm going to share with you how to grow and reflower the Clivia. The Clivia, or forest lily, is an evergreen bulb that comes from woodlands in South Africa, but it's commonly grown as a houseplant elsewhere. If grown correctly, it provides glorious orange or yellow flowers in spring. It flowers just once a year. Grow clivias in a house or greenhouse at temperatures that don't go below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 5 degrees Celsius, in dappled shade. Good drainage is the key to potting. The best mix is 2 parts orchid bark, 1 part ericaceous potting mix and 1 part perlite. Make sure the neck of the bulb is above soil level. It's very important not to overpot your clivia. This plant does best when pot bound. If the pot is too big, it just won't flower. Use a pot that gives your plant 1 inch of space all the way around. Avoid unnecessary repotting as clivias resent disturbance. Normally your clivia should be watered only when the soil has dried out completely. At every second watering, apply a half-strength liquid fertiliser. A cool rest period from October to February is key to reflowering the clivia. Place your plant in a room where temperatures remain around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 10 degrees Celsius. Over time, reduce watering until it's just a trickle. In places of high humidity, like a greenhouse, watering can be stopped altogether. When buds appear, water sparingly. At this point, you can move your plant to temperatures of 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 degrees Celsius and enjoy the flowers. If you get no flowers or flowers on very short stems, this is an indication that your temperatures were too high. After flowering, make sure to deadhead your plant by removing the spent flower spikes. Plants may be kept outdoors in summer in a shaded area. The Clivia is a joy in spring, and with attention to a few important basics, you can ensure many years of flowering pleasure. Happy growing!